Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can delete a project inside your GitHub repository in 2026. So let us dive into this. So head over to your repository on GitHub, and there are two ways how you can do this. Option number one, you navigate to the projects tab and go through a list of projects, click into these three dots here next, and select remove project. That's option number one. Option number two is, let's say for example, you're already inside your project, you navigate to its settings by clicking into these three dots here by selecting settings. That is going to redirect you to your project settings. From there, guys, what you want to do is scroll down and here under delete project, click into delete this project, because as you can see, removing is one option, but there are also these options, deleting and also closing a project. So deleting means basically that it can't be undone. So once you have deleted it, all items within the given the project will be gone. So that's the difference. You can alternately close a project. Let me explain the difference here too. So if you navigate to that option, guys, it will be removed from the list of your projects. However, you will still have some kind of access to its workflows. They will be disabled, but they won't be deleted entirely, so they can be recovered later. And that's the difference. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.